you for watching Syrian Eats. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn your notifications on so you can get the latest recipes. Our recipe today is a delicious and simple potato and carrot soup recipe. This recipe is so easy to make and it's so delicious and filling. Let's get started. Start out over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Then add 1 medium diced onion. We're going to saute our onions in the butter for about 5 minutes until it gets a golden tone to it. Make sure you add 1.5 teaspoons of salt and 1.5 teaspoons of white pepper. If you don't have white pepper, black pepper will do. After sauteing my onions, I added about 1 cup of carrots. I let them saute together for about 5 minutes. Then I added 1 tablespoon of butter and 2 tablespoons of flour. You're going to stir that flour and the butter in to kind of make a little roux for another 5 minutes or so, and then we're going to add our liquid. Now we're going to add 1 quart of chicken stock. Stir your soup mixture until that flour gets dissolved with the broth. That flour is going to thicken up our soup. Next, we're going to add about 4 cups of diced potatoes. Now we didn't add a lot of flour because our potatoes are natural starch. So we're gonna wait for it to come up to a boil. You want it to boil on medium heat until the potatoes and the carrots are soft. So I checked on the potatoes, they're not quite ready. And now this is what it looks like after 15 minutes of boiling. Looks like the potatoes have softened up and so have the carrots. Now I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Stir that in there and add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And your soup is ready to serve. Thank you for watching this simple and easy recipe. I hope you enjoy making it at home.